Hi, I'm Lucas 10 and this is my tutorial 8 for Comp 2406. First things first, I have to show that I've completed problem 2 and 3. This means pretty much just problem 3, my query to show the names of the songs. So I have to output this. Here I have um, open in terminal. Now I can open this up and I suppose I've done pretty much everything else. I just need to set the header and the column mode. So dot mode column dot header on. And now I should be able to put in my read query dot SQL. Okay, that's interesting. I'll just copy this. Finish brick. User. Yeah, so it shows the users, only a northern song, everything's the same. There we go. So what happens here is I select the user and playlist name and the compositions.title from playlist tracks. So playlist tracks has access to both user and playlist name, as we can see over here with the user and playlist name. And now we just need to find compositions.title. So first of all, we join recordings with the recording underscore ID here. And that's what this is, playlist underscore tracks recording ID. And then that's the recordings recording ID. Then from there, since we're in recordings, now we can grab the song ID. And same with compositions song ID. So join compositions on recordings.song ID is equal to compositions.song ID. Now we have access to the title, and this is able to be accessed.